welcome to Apex Motorhomes. Today I'm traveling in a luxury motorhome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay with me till the end for an amazing tour.
Welcome to Apex Motorhomes, where luxury meets freedom on wheels. Today I want you to imagine something extraordinary. Picture yourself gripping the steering wheel of the $3.5 million 2026 Volvo Motorhome while the American highway stretches endlessly ahead of you. This isn't just travel. This is the future of luxury life on the road. The moment you see this futuristic machine rolling down a highway like California's Pacific Coast Highway or crossing the endless deserts outside Phoenix, Arizona, you understand it instantly. This motorhome blends Scandinavian elegance with American road adventure, creating something that feels more like a moving penthouse than an RV. Every curve of the exterior looks engineered for power, presence, and beauty. Up front, Volvo's signature grille and intelligent LED lighting create a bold futuristic identity. Built on Volvo's advanced heavy-duty truck platform, this motorhome hides serious engineering beneath its sleek body. A next-generation turbocharged diesel engine delivers enormous torque, giving you confident acceleration whether you are climbing Colorado's Rocky Mountain passes or cruising through Nevada's wide-open highways. But driving this machine is where the experience becomes unforgettable. Imagine yourself gliding along Interstate 66 while adaptive cruise control quietly manages the pace. Lane assistance, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation systems, and a full 360-degree camera suite work together to protect you and everyone around you. Volvo has always been a leader in safety, and this motorhome continues that legacy. Step inside and everything changes. Suddenly you are standing in something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury loft apartment overlooking Manhattan. Scandinavian minimalism meets warm craftsmanship through natural wood finishes, brushed metal accents, and soft ambient lighting glowing along the ceiling edges. Massive panoramic windows fill the space with sunlight during the day and glowing city skylines at night. The main living lounge becomes the heart of the motorhome. Plush modular seating wraps surround a massive ultra-high-definition entertainment screen paired with cinematic surround sound. Imagine parking beside Miami's South Beach after sunset, extending the automated awning, and relaxing inside while ocean waves echo softly outside. This isn't just a motorhome. This is a home on wheels designed for unforgettable moments. The kitchen continues the five-star experience. A full-size induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, and smart refrigerator give you everything needed to cook anywhere in America. Picture preparing breakfast while parked near Yellowstone National Park or hosting dinner while overlooking the cliffs of Big Sur. Elegant countertops and custom cabinetry provide generous storage while subtle LED task lighting keeps everything bright and precise. Further inside, the bedroom suite feels like a private sanctuary. A king-size memory foam bed promises deep rest after long drives across Texas highways or Montana valleys. Hidden storage compartments keep everything organized while integrated reading lights and charging ports keep your devices ready for the next adventure. When night falls outside the windows, the cabin transforms into a quiet luxury retreat. The bathroom rivals upscale apartments. A spacious glass-enclosed rainfall shower, elegant vanity mirror, and intelligent water systems create a spa-like experience even in the middle of Utah's desert landscapes. Advanced lithium battery banks and roof-mounted solar panels power the motorhome quietly while you explore remote American wilderness without relying on noisy generators or crowded RV parks.